Halo guys, kembali di YouTube channel aku. Kali ini, kita akan melanjutkan Iktomi Spirit Seeking Scrolls yang volume ketiga. Volume ketiga ini akan menjadi akhir dari story Iktomi ini. Ya. Bukan yang ini. Ya, yang ini ya. Nah, volume ketiga ini adalah The Spirit of Batil. Yaitulah pengucapannya. Kita akan mulai ya. Navigate. Nah. Wait until 2 days later. With the minute jacket. Ini ya. Oh, kita ke Layla. Nah, kita di sini teleport dulu ya. Oke, kita ketemu dengan Rohan lagi.
Greetings again, everyone. Citlali, you're here. I got the ceremonial sword from the chief. You haven't forgotten what we're doing today, right?
Of course not. We're gonna wake Leela up and then ask him just what the heck he was.
And I've prepared the rest of the tools for the ceremony per Granny's instructions. We've dotted all our I's and crossed all our T's, so...
Good work, kiddo. Then without further ado, let's get started. I give offerings from the mystic smoke, the gift of stars on a moonless night, a wreath of dreams in the glory be to the ruler of death. Fade, fade, fade.
Whoa! Is this one of her magic spells? This whole place settled.
Keep your voice down. We mustn't
We, the children of the Priest King, swear to abide by the ancient pact and tear through the veil. I am Citlali. Hear my command. I am the...
Oh ya, ini dari kemarin belum sadar-sadar ya, Leilanya. Layla.
I shall pierce the cloak of night with flintstone and banish all souls that do not belong to the land of the dead. Leela, obey my command and return to the land where the sun shines.
Did it work?
Hah, akhirnya sadar juga dia.
Who are you? Whoa, Granny Eatsley, High Priestess Citlali, please have mercy.
Oh, guilty conscience, huh? So, you know full well what you've done.
Oh, aku baru sadar. Citlali ini Krayo ya. Tuh, ada simbolnya di situ.
Do you have any idea how close you were to never making it back?
Nanti aku bakal ngedit ini, bakalan aku draw yang elemennya dia.
I'm sorry, I messed up, and I'll face the consequences.
Oh, you sure about that? Then say goodbye. Goodbye, Mom and Dad. I've realized I enjoy life as an empty shell so much that I've...
No, please. Please don't. I'm begging you. I'll never do this again, I promise.
Don't thank me. Thank my grandson. If he hadn't sensed something was amiss, I wouldn't have...
You're more than welcome, Leela. And don't mind Granny. She's all bark and no bite. We're just glad that you're okay. Besides, someone tricked you into doing this, didn't they? That Kokchu guy. No, Mr. Kokachu had nothing to do with it. It was all my doing. Well, he suggested the method of using a powerful spirit relic as a medium, but I'm sorry. I'm the one to blame.
The brainwashing is strong with this one.
So did Kokachu provide the relic?
He did. He said it was a treasure related to the Mare Javari.
Mare Javari?
Right, so that proves it. He was using you.
But I'm a spirit duffer who can't cast a single spell. Guys like me couldn't sense a spirit even if we spent the rest of our lives sitting in But Mr. Kokachu said that if I brute force the spell and immerse myself in a spiritually rich substance,
Still, brute forcing a spell when you're a spirit duffer is like forcing yourself to run a marathon without any legs. If it wasn't for Silao,
I know, I'm sorry. It's just
Ini ya guys.
everyone in this tribe is so amazingly talented, and then there's me. I just didn't want to be the odd one out anymore.
Ini ya guys. Kalau kalian mau ini apa tuh diterjemahkan Inggris ke Indonesia?
I totally understand how you feel, Leela. Some seeds effortlessly grow into beautiful cabbages, while others struggle with all their might and never even sprout. Who knows why this is the way things are? Maybe that's just life. I know saying this doesn't change anything either, but I hope it makes you feel a little better.
Let's pause this discussion for now. We need to get you to Matla's for a checkup.
Dokter Matla. Gimana tuh? 100 meter. Oh, itu ya. Wait a minute ya. Itu ya guys, apaan situ? Nih, Matla.
Okay, looking good. It seems like this guy got off lightly. Just make sure he eats when you get back. He must be starving.
That's a relief. I've heard of cases where people's bodies started necrotizing after they spent too long meditating.
what a horrifying thought.
Anyway, Leela, even though we didn't know each other before all this, I'm still...
Well, maybe you don't know me, but I've heard all about you. The same goes for High Priestess Silali, the Traveler, and Paimon. I've heard all the stories.
Huh? Even us?
This might sound corny, but you're exactly the kind of people I've always dreamed of becoming. But it's clear to me now. I was just wishful thinking. Honestly, why'd I have to be born a spirit duffer? Nah, it's all right, really. I'm used to being useless by now. Auroron, I think you're right. It's just a fact of life. I promise I won't take another risk like this in the future. I've brought you more than enough trouble.
Aw, Leela.
It's okay. There's no need to comfort me.
Hey, you little rascal. What are you talking about? Look,
Huh? What's wrong, High Priestess Silali?
I said, look at me. Take a good...
Granny, what are you talking about?
What do you think, Traveler? Another case of happy to help written on someone's face?
Hold on. I think... Either my mind's playing tricks on me, or her entire body is an illusion. No, it must just be my imagination. I wouldn't be able to see through something like that.
Wait, I know this trick. It's the same one I used a while back. Granny snuck away from right under our nose.
You see? You can perceive some spiritual abnormalities now.
Really?
But where are you going, Granny?
Where do you think? I'm going fishing, you dummy.
Dummy.
Someone triggered the trap I set in the cave. Looks like our friend Kokachu took the bait.
What?
Sorry, can't talk now. You'll find me in the cave.
Alright, kita akan ke gua lagi ya. Kemungkinan ini menjadi puzzle terakhir kita. Teleport.
Aw. Don't believe it. He got away. This is terrible. Why'd I have to go and act so cocky about it? This Kokachu must be a real escape artist or something. tell them that. I'll have to...
St. Lolly, did you get him?
Given that she's the only person here, I'm guessing no.
I thought I'd let him go for now. But I left a mark on him. So if he comes around...
Oh, so Granny had only pretended to leave the cave, when in fact she'd set up a whole trap for him and was lying in wait.
Ah, so just like how you caught Auroron. But how did you know Kokachu would come here?
Because I planted the bait here. The Mare Javari map and the bow shard. Left them both, and sure enough, my trap was triggered just moments after we left.
So you really did set up traps here after all.
Of course. It's just that they'd never do anything to either of...
See? What did I tell you?
So, Mr. Kokachu, you used me after all. This whole...
That's right. I've been wondering about the shard he left ever since the moment I confirmed the Mare Javari's location, that's when he was counting on Leela's spirit getting lost, and the tribe coming to his
Oh, so he was fishing too. It was all a ploy to lure in an actual clairvoyant.
Yep. And somebody...
I'm sorry. I took the bait. But so did Granny.
The nerve! I only got involved because of you, you little scamp!
Either way, Kokchu played us like a fiddle. Huh. He managed to...
You could say that again. Imagine if he tried to approach St. Lolly directly. She'd have... Although, actually, St. Lolly, what did you...
Because I couldn't risk using my full abilities here. He was a pretty slippery kid.
Was it my fault for picking a bad place? I went looking for somewhere with a wealth of spiritual energy when I first decided to help Leela. And
Mad Sage?
Yeah, he's napping right behind that wall. We'd have a whole new situation on our hands if... I do have some good news, though. I snatched the shard and map back before he bolted.
That's great! So he left empty-handed.
Yes, sort of. The bad news is he did get a look at them.
Yeah, that's kind of worrying. What if he's got some sort of...
Don't worry. I'll keep... Also, Leela, if it's all the same to you, I'd like to give the shard and map to the traveler as a gift.
Absolutely. That's completely fine.
None of us are interested in them. And if there's any chance of them leading you to the Mare Javari, Granny Eatsley has a sense for these things.
So, Granny Eatsley, do you think I'm still a spirit?
What kind of a dumb question is that? You saw through my illusion, didn't you? I mean, that's partly because I deliberately made it Auroron, give this guy some lessons when you've got the time. Leela, put in the work, and we'll...
amazing. Life is so full of surprises. As long as you keep moving forward, you might... I'm so happy for you, Leela. Let's both give this our best.
Selesai. Oh, nggak ada puzzle ya yang kali ini. Alright, sekian dari video kali ini. Jika kalian suka bisa di like dan di share juga biar ramai yang nonton. Bye bye.